Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the the morning volatility report at optionpit.com. I'm Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of optionpit.com, welcoming you again. Our weekly trading course next Saturday, starting at 9:30. Sign up. If you want to get kind of a taste for what the course is like, go to our homepage, go to blog, and then we've got kind of what I'd say is like it would be just an intro class, topics on decay. We're trading weekly options and up, and a trade idea. That's actually going okay in a market that's kind of going sideways. All right, and with that, well, what do we have? S&P 500 selling off. Europe's down 1%. The trend seems to have been they sell all morning, and then by the afternoon, kind of the bulls get back in. I think, again, right now, we're just seeing more of what? Okay, rates might go up. There's rate talk, and stocks sell off, and we see what happens. A lot of the same kind of action that we have seen sort of all week, although I think the Fed sounded a little more dovish than normal. Where is the strength? I think still overall, if you want upside momentum, it's in oil. Oil-related stocks, those seem to have done well yesterday, and they're kind of holding up today. Oil hasn't done a whole lot. As far as vol goes, VIX is 12. Every time we get a mark down in the index, VIX is going to go up. But now it's going up to 12.19. It's hard to believe you get a 3/4 point rise, and all we're seeing is a 12.18 VIX. So unless this turns into something a little more like a 1% sell-off, something with a little more teeth on it, yeah, I don't expect a lot to change. We have a little bit of a little bid for vol here. Let's see if we have any bid for volatility in VIX. I get a little bit. A little here. I mean, you're not getting what I would call a giant bid. So just stocks in general are kind of in this listless August period, and I don't know when it ends. As far as looking at just how the future is trading, just look at some of the volatility products, UVXY. Okay. If we just go, let's pull up a tick chart. Okay. Anyway, just to get an idea how the futures are trading this morning. Everything opened up, and they're not quite, again, you want to see a bid for volatility hold on. Okay. So, trade ideas. They are hard to come by this morning. I will take a look at Nike just because I believe we have earnings coming out soon. And the Foot Locker earnings were very good, which usually bodes well for Nike, which I think is why we're catching a little bid in it. And we've got our cycle, June, so we have July, August, September coming up. At least take a little look there. Maybe we get another bit of a pop. That might be an idea for something with some strength. But, as it goes right now, stocks are just selling off a little bit, basically just on listless activity, and no real reason to rally, to really break through the 220 level. We might never do it, but it looks like the market wants to go there. All right. And with that, I will see many of you in the chat. Again, don't expect much happening today, but keep an eye on, a VIX of 13. That would surprise me at this point. You see something like that, and all of a sudden our sell-off probably has some legs because things are gaining a little momentum. Usually right around, 12 o'clock when the European markets close, we tend to rally for some strange reason. So It might be 3 days in a row for that. If we taking a look at SPY, let's see what we've had here. Again, little rally. We have sell off. European market closes, we rally. It kind of, can we do it 3 days in a row? Again, listless into the Fed, rally, European market close, rally. It looks like it's kind of setting up to be the same thing. All right. And with that, I will see you all or many of you in our chat room in a few minutes. All right, everybody.